Hey, this is Bill from Blue Ocean AI. In this video, I'm going to show you an AI receptionist that handles emergency and after hours calls and handles emergency requests and dispatching. So, what would this AI receptionist be useful for? What type of business? Locksmiths, plumbers, water damage restorations, really any business that has emergency requests. So if you have emergency requests that come in after hours, sometimes late at night or on the weekend, on staff 24/7, you can have an AI receptionist just like this that can handle all of your calls and do all of your dispatching. So this is what I'm going to show on this. This is an inbound receptionist, right? So it's designed to handle calls as they come in, and this is specifically for locksmiths. So when someone calls, it will gather all the information for the job, what type of locksmith service is needed, is it a lockout or another issue, their address, name, phone number, email, type of lock, and all of that kind of stuff. So it will gather all this information. After it gathers this information, it notifies the staff immediately via text and email. So your technicians that are on call at that time, or the business owner or manager, whoever's in charge of these leads after hours, it will notify them immediately. So once the dispatch is handled and the team members are notified, and then the technician, the locksmith, is dispatched, the lead will be contacted, right? That they are on their way. This can also handle objections, tell basic pricing information, and much more. So I'm going to show you this very robust receptionist for locksmiths. All right, so on my CRM, I triggered the call, so it's going to call me. I'm just using myself as a test.
Thank you, Bilal, for calling Locksmith Pro Atlanta, your trusted 24/7 locksmith service. This is Bob, your virtual assistant. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I'm locked out of my house and I need some help.
Uh-huh. I understand how urgent this is, Bilal. Let's get this resolved for you right away. Are you locked out of your home, car, or business?
Yeah, I'm locked out of my house.
Got it, Bilal. You're locked out of your house. Is this an emergency, or would you like to schedule an appointment for later?
This is an emergency.
Understood, Bilal. First, are you currently in a safe location?
Yes, I am.
I'll make sure we get help to you quickly. How soon do you need someone to assist you?
Right now.
Understood, Bilal. You'll need your location details to send a locksmith to assist you. What is the exact address where service is needed?
123 North Faith Place, Atlanta, Georgia 30341.
Thank you for providing the address. Just to confirm, the address is 123 North Fakes Place, Atlanta, Georgia 30341. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great, Bilal. Are you currently at this location, or will someone else be there to meet our locksmith?
I'm there right now.
Thank you for confirming. Are there any special instructions for accessing the location, such as a gated entry or parking details?
No.
Got it, Bilal. Let me get your contact details so we can stay in touch. I already have your phone number as 167-870-13745. Is that correct? Perfect. Can this phone number receive text messages? We can send updates about your technician's arrival.
Yes.
Thank you. I also have your email address as chudry1@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you for confirming. Now, I'd like to confirm the specific details of the service you need. What type of lock are you dealing with, residential, commercial, or something else?
I'm not sure. I think it's just a normal lock.
That's perfectly fine, Bilal. We'll make sure the locksmith is prepared to handle a standard residential lock. Our locksmith can arrive at your location in approximately 45 minutes. Does that work for you?
Yeah.
Great. The cost for this service starts at $75. depending on the complexity of the job. Would you like me to confirm the pricing details for you?
Sure.
The starting price for a standard residential lockout service is $75. The final cost will depend on the specific situation, and the technician will provide a detailed quote upon arrival. How would you like to pay cash, credit card, or another method?
What about credit card?
Yes, we do accept credit card payments. The technician will be able to process your payment securely on site. Do you have any additional questions or concerns before I dispatch the locksmith?
No.
Thank you, Bilal. Our technician will call you when they're en route to your location. Thank you for choosing Locksmith Pro Atlanta. Well, make sure you're taken care of promptly.
Okay, thanks. All right, so in a few minutes, I have it scheduled for when the locksmith is dispatched, the lead will get a text that the locksmith is dispatched. Okay, and then this is the lead information. This is an example, right, of lead information that you'll get. I pronounced this wrong, but it did capture all the information correctly. And then this gets sent to whoever needs it. On top of that, it also gets sent via email as well. Okay, so you see here, the lead information is sent through email, and then the technician is notified. So I'm having all this information just sent to me, right? Because it's a demo. But now you see how it works. So this will handle calls 24/7, right? And it also is also trained on a knowledge base as well, so it can answer questions about the company. But really, since this is an emergency service handler, people will want their problem fixed immediately, right? And this will do that, and you don't need to pay someone to stay there every hour, right? So if something like this will be helpful for your emergency service business, please feel free to reach out and we can build something just like this for you.